Hello, welcome back to Off Grid Style. I am glad to have you here as always. Today we're discussing the top 10 thoughts, processes, whatever you want to call it, for a survivalist mindset. What are those exactly? And we have done prepping, we've done gray man, but we really haven't discussed much about the survivalist mindset itself. So this is exploring into a little bit of new territory for us, and I really enjoyed doing this video. So I hope you like it too. So let's get started.
Key to thriving in adversity. The human ability to adapt and survive in challenging situations is rooted in the power of the survival mindset. This mental attitude plays a pivotal role in determining an individual's ability to overcome adversity and thrive in harsh conditions. We will look at the key elements of the survival mindset and its significance in various scenarios. If you enjoy this video, please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing. Resilience. A core aspect of the survival mindset is resilience. Resilient individuals possess the mental toughness to bounce back from setbacks and endure hardships. They view adversity as an opportunity for growth and learning rather than a defeat. Resilience isn't just for an SHTF situation. Many people face challenges in their lives every day and somehow bounce back. Adaptability. Adaptability is the capacity to adjust to changing circumstances quickly. Those with a strong survival mindset are flexible and resourceful, finding innovative solutions when faced with unexpected challenges. Quickly ascertaining and determining a course of action, from dealing with changing weather, improvising tools or shelter, or other unforeseen changes, adaptability is one of the key aspects of the survival mindset. Resourcefulness. Resourcefulness is the ability to make the most of available resources. Survival-minded individuals can think creatively and maximize their resources to meet basic needs such as food, water, shelter, and safety. Thinking outside the box, coming up with creative solutions, and ensuring survival are all hallmarks of resourcefulness. Positive attitude. A positive attitude is a powerful force in survival situations. It helps individuals maintain hope, motivation, and mental clarity even when circumstances are dire. Optimism can be contagious and inspire others to persevere. Preparedness. Preparedness is a proactive element of the survival mindset. It involves planning, acquiring essential skills, and stockpiling resources in advance of a crisis. Prepared individuals are more likely to stay calm and make informed decisions during emergencies. Problem-solving skills. Survival-minded individuals excel in problem-solving. They approach challenges systematically, breaking them down into manageable steps and evaluating potential solutions. Their ability to remain level-headed under pressure is crucial. Self-reliance. Self-reliance is a cornerstone of the survival mindset. It empowers individuals to depend on their skills, knowledge, and abilities to navigate difficult situations without undue reliance on external sources of help. Adaptation to fear. Fear is a natural response to danger, but those with a survival mindset can adapt to it. They use fear as a motivating force, heightening awareness and driving action rather than paralyzing them. Community and leadership. The survival mindset extends beyond individual resilience. It encompasses the capacity to build and lead communities, fostering cooperation and shared resources to enhance collective survival. Continuous learning. A growth-oriented mindset is vital for survival. Learning from experiences, whether through formal education or trial and error, is essential for improving one's ability to face future challenges. Don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. The survival mindset is a powerful mental framework that enables individuals to endure, adapt, and even thrive in the face of adversity. The survival mindset is not only a path to personal survival, but also a foundation for building stronger, more resilient communities and societies.
Well, I hope you liked this video. I hope you enjoyed the different ideas that we put forward, or that I put forward, I should say. I always say we, I don't know why. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed it, and please let me know what your thoughts were about the survivalist mindset, and if it was anything different for you, or if you would add anything to it. Like I said, I always love to hear from you. I always answer back. So please like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. It tells YouTube we're doing a good job, and I'll see you again soon. Thank you.